There are several things to consider when choosing a solar company.
No, he's good, I promise. I met him at the party store.
Things like price, warranties, maintenance plans, experience. Choosing the right company can make all the difference.
I think we should get someone who's an expert.
He is an expert.
I'm concerned that he doesn't.
We are talking about your home after all. When you're buying a product that will last 25 years, you need a trusted, established company with years of experience. They should be able to guide you through your whole process, optimize your system, and answer any questions whenever you need.
Sunrun, I need it. I don't really understand my solar, and I need.
Don't worry, I'll explain. It's also important that the company you choose provides Tier 1 equipment. Some companies will say that you're getting the best products, but they actually install low-quality panels and batteries to save cost or install faster.
That's gonna power our home?
Probably.
Be sure to find a company that doesn't cut corners. You can be confident in your decision when you choose a company that's here to stay, offers full service options, and innovates with energy products to power you now and in the future.